What's up, guys, and how is everybody doing out there? It is Thursday. It is raining. It just started raining here in the past 10 minutes. I'll tell you what, we've been getting some pretty nice rain. I wouldn't call them storms, just kind of like flash rains, I guess you could say it, the past couple days. It'll rain like this for a good half hour or so, and it cools things off. Nice steady breeze going on right now. But yeah, that's nothing really going on today. Tomorrow I'm going to head up Center City. Neighbors out in the rain, which is typical, normal. See, out in the rain, cooling off. Here comes a couple kids. That's the thing here, guys. They love the rain. They love playing in the rain. It just cools everybody off. I can't believe our neighbors out there. Hey, there it is. All right. Guys, somebody asked me about our trike. Do we still have our trike? Yes, we do. There it is. We haven't driven it now for the past couple months. Kind of like after Look got rid of the store, pulled it in here, parked it. What are we doing with it? We are thinking, what we're talking about is taking the sidecar, getting what we can for that, and then the motorbike itself. Look's one friend drives trucks, and he drives trucks. I like to look at the rain while I'm talking. He drives like trucks that are bought at the auction down in Subic Bay, and drives them all the way down to Mindanao, different areas, once a month. So every month he's up here, and I think we're going to talk with him, have him load up the motorbike, take it down to the province. Or her brother and her uncle, they can drive it down there. They'll use it. But yes, we still have the sidecar. There's Mad Max. Don't drive that as much. I should, but you see, you got to put cardboard and paper and a towel on it, because if you don't, the cats will jump up on that seat and they'll rip that seat up. So if you're coming to the Philippines and you're going to buy a motorbike, wherever you park it, put some cardboard on that seat, because they will jump up, they will tear up your seat. Somebody might say, oh, well, I'll get a motorcycle cover for it. I had a buddy, got a motorcycle cover. John, if you're watching this, you know what I'm talking about. He bought a cover for his motorbike, and he figured, yeah, you know what? Cat's not going to get up under there. Well, they did. They find their way up under there. They will lay on that, and they will scratch it up. They will tear it up. So remember that, guys. So anyways, you know what? Let's see. Let's go this way. Look. Is that open? There, now it is. What is lit? Oh, we're having spaghetti tonight. What made me spaghetti?
Yes.
Yes.
I made you a special spaghetti.
Yep, and she made meatballs.
Yes.
That's the meatballs she made.
Yes.
And here's the update on Rocky. Here's Rocky. How you doing, Rocky? Rocky's feeling good. Here's
Rocky.
Joy.
Tell Rocky, better than I deserve.
Better than you deserve. Spoiled dogs. There's B2. There's Bing. Bing is doing well. She's doing her modulars, right, Bing?
Huh?
Her school modulars. She's doing those. This is just kind of an update. There's Hannah Grace. How's it going, Hannah Grace? All right. Can I get a... Oh, here's what I want to talk about. All right. Here's what I want to talk about. People say, oh, when you're walking around, those kids are giving you gang signs, you know, gang signs. Everywhere you go, gang signs. It is not a gang sign, guys. I will have look here explain.
The joints.
No, you're the one that explained it and how it came, what it is, and everything like that. Well, go ahead, Hannah, throw it up. Throw it up.
Two joints.
Two joints. Two joints. That's what you hear. Bang. What is it? Two joins. That's what you see the kids doing, running around doing two joins. And what else?
Burger.
Burger. Burger. Bing. Give it a burger. Do the burger, Bing. Ooh, the burger, Bing. But look Explain to the subscribers that it's not a gang sign. What is it?
That's presidential sign.
First of all, what is it?
Two joints. What's
Two
two
joints.
joints, Ana?
Wala, gawa-gawa lang.
Oh, they said actually that's the one of the presidential over her. They make that sign that two joints. That's for him.
Yeah.
Like Sarah has a burger.
Right.
So
Wait,
that-
Sarah.
A burger.
A burger.
Yeah. And
What does Boom Boom have?
Peace.
Boom Boom.
Peace.
Peace. What
Yes.
does Linny have?
Like this.
Like that.
Yeah.
All right. So that was a sign one of the candidates
Yes,
did.
one of the candidates of the president two joins.
Right.
And also, I think what happened is one of the band that's supporting him, and that's what they're signing, like that, because the rap, rap is like,
Right.
yeah.
So-
So that's when he did that, one of his rally, he did that two joints, and one of the candidates disagree about it, and they become viral. So all the little kids seen it. So for them, there's nothing really much about it. It's just a sign.
It became like a viral thing.
Yes.
And it's not a gang sign or anything like that, because people, oh, it's a gang sign. It's not a gang sign. So
Don't panic, organic.
It's just something that went viral. That's
Yes.
all it is.
Over here, it's all over the
Right.
That's why kids seen it, and that's how they do it. Don't join.
Even today when I was out a little bit, getting up to the staging area that I want to go to tomorrow to make sure I can fly my drone, because I want to fly my drone. And I was doing a little bit of videoing, just doing a little bit of videoing. And even up there, all the kids are running around, two joins, and giving me that little sign. So yes,
It's become like kind of expression.
yeah, like an expression, I guess you could say. So no, the kids are not throwing me gang signs.
No, they don't have any idea.
Are you guys in a gang? Bang, are you in a gang? No?
How many meatball you want?
Maybe 4 or 5.
4 or 5.
Yeah. We're using the old Prego.
Oh, I love Prego.
Yeah, Prego's good. That's the only one that I go with. The old meatballs going on. What are you having for dinner?
We have fish because it's Holy Week, and in my province the culture we have is we're not allowed to eat pork for 2 days. Yeah, that's what in my province. Right, Hannah?
Okay, you say so.
So we have fish.
What are you gonna say? Anything good, Bang?
Sabi mo, Ben, don't panic, organic.
Don't panic. Wait,
it's
what's the other one?
Don't panic, it's organic.
Yeah, don't panic, it's organic. Sabi mo, Ben.
Don't panic, it's organic.
Yeah.
Don't panic. It's
It's
organic.
organic.
Where'd that come from?
From him too, like the two joints.
From the same two joint?
Yeah, because there's one candidate, the vice candidate, the president candidate, hate it. Like, don't do that. And then the reporter asked him, what did you think about it? And he said, don't panic, it's organic.
But who's the candidate that did the two joints? Who's the first one to do
It's
that?
go.
It's Go.
Oh,
Yeah.
What's Manny's?
Money?
Manny Pacquiao. What's his?
I don't have any idea.
He don't have any?
Ano,
He don't have no
Nothing.
sign or anything like that?
pang drug addict daw kasi.
What's that?
Money, hate it.
Yeah, the two joints. He said
Oh yeah,
it's for
Manny
drug
hates two
addict.
joints. All right. So there it is, guys. Little explanation, little short video. Tomorrow, guys, make sure to check out the next video I'm going to do. I'm going up there, Good Friday, up in the center area. They do the flash. I know you're going to tell me it's flagellation, not flatulation. Flatulation is ututs, right? Utut.
Tomorrow, I'm presenting.
Flagellation.
I'm representing my Bang Bang tomorrow.
But I'm gonna go up there, guys. It's kind of like religious. It's like culture, tradition, and religion all wrapped up into one on Good Friday here. Today, all the malls are closed. A lot of stores are closed. They'll reopen when? Sunday,
Saturday.
Saturday. It says. So, anyways, guys, make sure to check out tomorrow's video because that's where I'm gonna be. It's neat to see. I mean, even if you have never seen it, it is neat to see. Like I said, it's part of the tradition here. It's part of the culture here. It's part of religion here. So check it out. I know this is a short video, just giving you an update. Can we get one? How about you?
It's,
Can we get one?
no joints. Don't
organic.
Huh?
It's organic.
Oh, don't panic. It's organic.
Pink? Kinster, how about you?
Two joints.
Don't panic.
Don't panic, it's organic.
Pink?
Don't panic, it's organic.
How about a 2 joints?
Two joints.
All right, 2 joints. Is it like this? Do like this, Pink. There you go.
Burger.